Greetings everyone, I'm Emre Ata. Today on this video I want to show you how we can buy Radio Caca coin, Raca, Elon Musk Mother's coin, Metaverse token. Now, this is our website, exchangereferralcodes.com. If you don't have Gate.io account, you should click on our main page, Gate.io referral code. We clicked. On this page, you can get information about Gate.io exchange. This is your code. Commission kickback code 120%. If you want, you can get your code here. If you want, you should click in this banner. We clicked. On this page, fill your form or code here and click next. And after you complete your KYC, and next step, we need Tether or Gate token. How we can buy Tether or Gate token? In main page, you click buy crypto, select bank transfer or credit card. It's so easy. When you completed your deposit money on Gate.io, click market and market price. And right here, you see search Raca and Raca USDT. Click Raca. This is Raca trade page. Red color sellers, green color buyers. It's so easy. For example, we want buy Radio Caca coin with 500 USA dollar. With 500 USA dollar, we can buy this. Click buy in here. Now, Radio Caca, we have Radio Caca. How we can sell? Write your number here and click sell. Click to sell. It's so easy. If you need more information about Gate.io or Radio Caca coin, you should visit our website. Wish you a good day.